Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In the last video, we saw how to solve the first question of CodingBat warm-up 1, which was sleep in. If you have not watched that video, I will highly recommend you to go back and see the solution because the next one is quite similar to that. Now I'm going to start with the monkey trouble. Let's see. This question says, we have two monkeys, A and B, and the parameters A smile and B smile indicate if each is smiling. We are in trouble if they are both smiling or if neither of them is smiling. Return true if we are in trouble. The question is very simple. Basically, it's trying to say that there are two variables, A smile and B smile. We have to return true if both of them are doing the same thing. For example, if they are both smiling and if they are not smiling. I will be showing you three different approaches of solving this problem. Let's start with the first one. I'm using the if condition. If A smile is equal true and at the same time B smile is also equal true, then return true. This could be one way, and then I'm just going to copy paste this and change the true to false to satisfy the second condition, because the second condition says when they both are not smiling, then also we are in trouble. So this elif condition takes care of that. And if there's any other scenario, then return false. I'm going to click on the go button. Let's check the test cases. And great, it passes all the test cases. I feel that this approach is a bit too long. This is the standard way of doing things. If you take a look, you have written a code in which both A smile and B smile are doing the exact same thing. This code can be further reduced to something like this. I'm going to get rid of the true. And I'm just going to mention that if the value of A smile is exactly equal to B smile, then return true. And this way I can completely remove this condition. Because when this is true, this has to be true to satisfy the condition. Otherwise, let's shift to the else condition and return false. Now, if I click on the go button again, it still passes all the test cases. Now, third and final approach, which is something I've shown you in my previous video as well. All I have to do is just remove this if and write a return instead. This works well when you only have one condition, and I'm going to get rid of all these three lines, and we are back to return A smile equal B smile. Let's click on go. So even this approach is also good enough to pass all the test cases. Now it's clearly your choice. According to my recommendation, you should stick to the one which comes to your mind first. It doesn't matter if it's this or if it's the second approach that I showed you, which was this, or if it's the third approach that I showed you. The whole point of this, as a beginner, you should just get more into problem solving and not try to optimize your code, try to do it in less number of lines. You will get plenty of time for that. Once you should write down your program, analyze it again, see if you can figure it out and reduce the logic in less number of lines. And that's the right way to go. Well, that's it for this video. If you want to stay updated with more easy and exciting content, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.